my mind. All I hear is music, watching your mouth move. Damn, you look stupid. I feel like
Sometimes you gotta be that person who's embarrassing. I am that person. I'm embarrassing a little bit, probably embarrassing, embarrassing. I'm embarrassing me. I'm embarrassing. What are we doing today? Is music videos. Let me just open this before I start singing weird things. After every 3 days, we have a tradition of doing music videos. If you love listening to music, stick with us on the channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and then let's start, right? Which is the music video that I have got for you is the most asked two songs by you guys, right? The first one is Nache Nache. It's from the movie Raja Saab. Raja Saab's rest of the songs, one or two we have already checked out, and this is the other one, Nache Nache. So he's gonna be dancing on this. Let me just read everything that's there. Okay, this is trending on number 2 on music trending charts. Movie credits written and directed by Maruti. Producer is T.G. Vishwaprasad and Kriti Prasad. My hair is just trying to get inside my mouth. No. Music is by Taman S. Editor Kotagiri Venkateshwara Rao. VFX creative producer Praveen Kilaru. God, I'm gonna butcher all the names and you guys are gonna be like, I'm so irritated. Song credits: name Nache Nache, artist is Samanas, Nakash Aziz, and Brinda. If I'm saying any of these names wrong. Hindi lyricist Farooq Kaiser and Rakib Alam. Fancy. Programmed and arranged by Tamanas. Beat and EDM works by Beyond Sound T. Additional programming Shashank Alamaru, Oshovi, and Hari SR. And there's a lot of masters in making of this music video. So kudos and credits goes to all of them. If you have not watched this video already, what are you doing? Go watch it. I'll leave the link in my description. Captions has been turned on. So let's go.
सुर में गाना सीखिए पादानिसा ऐप के साथ AI powered personal music teacher from Saregama.
Did I hear that? Who's coming in a Porsche? It's a dinosaur. It's an old song we make. With the yellowish glasses. They're all looking silverish with the outfits. Shiny, shiny. All the ladies beside Prabhas. I don't see any male. Is there? No, right? It's all ladies with the rebel star Prabhas. They're getting rebellious in the yard. He has too many ladies to give attention to. are very in the behinds because of the EDM. Drop. Not exactly where the drop comes. Bounce, bounce. Come on, ladies. Up, up. Drop. Prabhas dancing is kind of cute though. Most of the old songs are in demand today because we want the EDM out of all of them so we can party. Oh, there's a dust that's flying around. I got distracted, sorry. And that's very common for all of them to be banging onto this. Honestly, I felt like somebody just forced Prabhas, our main rebel star, action star, to get onto the dance floor to do this. Not sure he's a whole mass dancer or a professional at it, but it was moreover very cute because he was trying his best to do justice to the song. And it was EDM, there was not a lot of hard moves that you need to bust your ass to kick it off. But yeah, but it was just the rest of the crew around him is also really good, right? They all are flashy and are professional dancers who are dancing with him. I'm not saying he's a bad dancer, but I'm just saying I would like to see him in a more aura appeal kind of a position than dance. I just feel like they could have done much better things with him than this. Now, for example, we have watched Guns N' Roses of Pawan Kalyan sir. It was similar EDM vibe, but they had this videography. They did not make him dance or anything because the aura, the film's aura of the character that he's playing, it just goes away. I don't think he is actually a very gangster kind of a person specifically in this movie, but the general aura of Prabhas aura is definitely more higher in movies. You know, the action, the body, the macho effect that he has. Compared to that, the song is just too much for me. I honestly felt bad for Prabhas. Like, why was he put into this position? Maybe they could have just given him a chair and they could have just danced around him. He could have holded a cigar or something and just vibed. Literally, that could have made much more of a vibe than him just getting on and doing all of this moves. Let's anyway check out the comments a little bit and then go to the next song. Just as someone commented, the cameraman moved more than Prabhas. This is something that I'm trying to say. It just looked awkward, yeah. Like, I don't think Prabhas should be made to dance. They could do a lot of things with actors who are a little bit bulky and who has their own aura of things. They can do multiple things that I already told you in the video. How difficult is it to create a new song and BGM when the budget is that much high? So true. Again, that is also another factor that there's just people are just too lazy, I feel like. Is anyone watching after 1 a.m.? Yeah, sure, that's me. 3:37 a.m. reported, sir. Destroyed another song, this time not by Bollywood. And this is not getting as much hate because of one man, that's Prabhas, right? We know it. We know it. 192 cuts in a 3-minute video is crazy bullshit. So they have made so many cuts. Honestly, did not even notice. I was trying to see the music and their outfits and the dance moves that they were doing, all so crazy. ఈ సాంగ్ కోసం ఇప్పటి దాకా ఎంత మంది వెయిట్ చేస్తారు? I think somebody was waiting for the song. I hope you are happy. Don't forget to like the video. Song किसको पसंद नहीं आया? हाथ उठाओ. Song is good, yeah. Song, it's an old song plus EDM. Who doesn't like EDM? Just bang your head to it. It's fine. And you get to see Prabhas. That's a bonus. It was good. Song, everything was good. I just feel like they could have went with a different theme or videography or, you know, not made him dance. To be honest. Song, No. BGM, yes. It was more like a background beat kind of song because we couldn't hear a lot of the music. I did tell you already, like, the music is very low on the behinds, but the core EDM is the one that you need to focus on. And that was vibe. That was the vibe. Prabhas fans assemble here. All of you, I hope you're here. Just wow, fatafati. What does that mean? Fatafati. But honestly, Durandar songs, it's different. Who agrees? Of course, that's a different song. This is a different song. Prabhas, except one thing, you are not good at comedy and dance. You're more suited for serious and action roles. And with this movie, you're going to disappoint people once again. This is something that I already told you. He has an mass appeal, more of an action-oriented actor because he looks bulky. He looks like somebody who could just beat like 40 people in a go. Right? He is an actor. He can do comedy. There's nothing wrong with dance because it just doesn't go with his body. That's all. That's the problem. And horror movie, this person is saying that that is not a problem. I don't think at all. Like, as an actor, you explore, and he's also doing the same. That's fine. Theater will blast a song. Yeah, in a theater, I think this would be a good banger for you guys to vibe on. Go yaha, nati nati, tududun, tududun. All India Pravas fans assemble. Okay, I hope all the fans have assembled and watch this song. Don't forget to like before you leave. I'm going to the next song. This one's called Kalyani. A lot of Malayali audience had recommended this while we were watching the coolest 3 of Thirumali, right? And I'm ready to go for it. Arjun KDS are back with their new single Kalyani after the huge success of Sharia. Sharia, they have checked it out on the channel. If you haven't watched it already, go please check it out. Blending soulful music, Malayalam lyricism with the modern R&B and Afro elements. Okay, so there's gonna be soulful R&B and also Afro. The track captures the essence of love and desire wrapped in dreamy production by raw and lyrical finesse by 54 and Suhas Moideen. A mesmerizing fusion of Kerala soul and global sound. Let's see how this one goes. Music by Arjun KDS and 54, written by Suhas Moideen and 54, producer is Ron, mix and mastered by Ashbin Paulson. Okay, we have given the shout out to all of them. Let's turn on the caps and go. Is it an animated video throughout or somebody's sketching her?
കണ്ടപ്പോ അടിവയറ്റില് മഞ്ഞുള്ള രാത്രി നിന്റെ ചിരിയത് കണ്ടപ്പോ അയ്യോ നെഞ്ചിലൊരാതി കരിമിഴിയുള്ള കളവാണി കൂന്തല് കണ്ടപ്പോ കണ്ണെന്ന് ഉടക്കി ചിരിക്കല പെണ്ണെ കല്യാണി നിന്റെ മാറത്തെ പുള്ളി എന്നെ
കണ്ട്
കയ്യിലെ വള കണ്ട് കാലിലെ കുലിച്ചിട്ട് എന്നെ നീ കുടുക്കി അരയിലെ അരഞ്ഞാണ് മരക്കെട്ടി കിടക്കുമ്പോൾ എനിക്കെന്റെ മോഹങ്ങൾ അണപ്പൊട്ടി ഒഴുകുമ്പോൾ മുന്നെ കൊണ്ട് ചങ്കത് പിടക്കണ നോക്കല് നീ ഒരു തീ നിനക്കെന്ത് പേടി കഥകടി ചോടി അടുത്ത് നീ വാടി കവിതകൾ പാടി അരക്കെട്ട് തേടി നിന്നുട്ടിയില്ല സുഗന്ധത്തിൻ രാമച്ചൻ തേടി മുകളിലെ ചുറ്റുചൊറയൊഴുകുന്നു പരമാനന്ദര സുഖമത് തേടുന്നു നെഞ്ചു പിടിക്കുന്നു കണ്ണാടി മിന്നുന്നു വെള്ളാരം കണ്ണുള്ള ചെലുത്തമ്മയുള്ള പെണ്ണെ അലങ്കാരി മുട്ടോളം മുട്ടിയുള്ള കാണാൻ അഴകുള്ള നീലമിഴിയുള്ള പെണ്ണിന് ശൃംഗാരി കരിമിഴിയുള്ള കളവാണി കൂന്തല് കണ്ടപ്പോ കരിമിഴിയുള്ള കളവാണി കൂന്തല് കണ്ടപ്പോ ചിരിക്കല്ല പെണ്ണെ കല്യാണി നിന്റെ ഭാരത പുള്ളി എന്നെ കുടിക്കില്ല കണ്ണിലെ നിറ കണ്ട് കയ്യിലെ വള കണ്ട് കാലിലെ കൊലിച്ചിട്ട് എന്നെ കുടുക്കി അരയിലെ അരഞ്ഞാണ് മരക്കെട്ടിൽ കിടക്കുമ്പോൾ എനിക്ക് എന്റെ മോഹങ്ങൾ അണപ്പൊട്ടി ഒഴുകുമ്പോൾ നോക്കല്ലേ നീ ഒരു തീ നോട്ടത്തിൽ മുന്നെ കൊണ്ട്
It's more of a commercial one than the last one that we heard, right? Snowy.
കടക്കണ്ണു കൊണ്ട് മുറിഞ്ഞാൽ നിന്റെ കരളിലെ പ്രിയം കൊണ്ട് നിറഞ്ഞാൽ അറിയാം കരിങ്കള്ളി നിന്നെ അറിയാൻ നിന്റെ കനവിലെ മോഹങ്ങൾ അറിയാം പറയാം താപ്പിട്ടും മുട്ടാപ്പല്ലേ ചിരിയത് വട്ടാപ്പൊട്ടാകെട്ടി കുടിയിൽ തട്ടാമുട്ടാ കണ്ണിപ്പെണ്ണെ ഒരു മാട്ടി നീ മസറാട്ടി നിന്റെ കടക്കണി മുനയോ കറുമ്പി നിന്റെ മിഴിയോ നിന്റെ കരളിലെ പ്രിയമോ നീ എനിക്ക് രാത്രിയോ സുന്ദരി പെണ്ണ നിന്നെ കണ്ടപ്പോ തൊട്ട എന്നെ ചങ്കിലു തീയ നിന്റെ ചുണ്ടില് തേനോ മധുര മനോഹരി അടുത്ത ചേരുള്ള പാലപ്പ് പോലുള്ള പുഞ്ചിരി കണ്ടെ ഉള്ളൊന്ന് കാളി ചായത്തെ കൊണ്ടെന്നറിഞ്ഞ പാടി
Almost obsession.
കൂന്തല് കണ്ടപ്പോ കരിവഴിയുള്ള കളവാണി കൂന്തല്
Yeah, this section is good. The chorus.
കല്യാണി നിന്റെ മാറത്തെ പുള്ളി എന്നെ കുടുക്കി
Studio 808 for the lyrical video. Shout out to you. Bro is definitely starstruck by Kalyani. And who is this Kalyani that they are talking about? Is this his girlfriend? Is there a real chick as Kalyani in his life? Or it's just an imagination of a character that he has created? Or it's somebody he knows in real life that he does not want to really name after, but just slightly a pen name is Kalyani. It could be anything. But the song again is a commercial hit. I understood why you guys asked me to check this one out. It's a good track. But compared to Coolest 3 that I watched, I like that better. Let me be honest. Coolest 3, I think it was the beat and the way he suddenly westernized with the rap that came in just shocked me that day. And this one is more smooth, soothing love track. It was good. This is also good. That one is also again a love track, but that had the beats and something more that got me interested. This one was also good. The chorus is bouncy. You can chill with your girlfriend listening to this at night. All of them are good. Let me just read the comments and end this. Sambam full angote katti. I see a lot of people like the song. My favorite song, yes, I see why. It's a commercial track, so people would like it. Ew. Somebody commented ew. That's really harsh. My colleague just made all of us addicted to this song. Even my audience is trying their best though. Adipuli, anyone, guys, do suggest more songs which has like crazy beats, like the one that we heard last time, which was Coolest 3, right? If you know more songs, you know, that I could actually add to my playlist, let me know. This one, I'm not saying it's a bad track or anything. It's not. It was written well, and obviously the audience likes it. So, either enna language. This is Malayalam, bro. This is Malayalam. Actually, the song make me to move. It has the groove to it. Beats are good. It's all right. Why you always objectify women? What you trying to promote through this song is not correct. Stop writing lyrics that objectify women. That's a strong opinion. He's just talking about how beautiful a woman is. I understand it's a little objectifying. Right? If he's talking about everything then. But he's not promoting anything in that sense. He's just enjoying her beauty. It could be his I can't say friend. That is weird. If I had a friend who's that creepy, I'm running, guys. Could be his girlfriend. That's fine, right? Like writing about your girlfriend, your romantic interest in a objectifying way is okay. Me 6 Jan, today is 26th birthday. Kiska? Happy birthday. Addictive song. Maybe if you listen to the song a couple of times, it might addictive. That's the reason why a lot of you have suggested to me. Like, I get it. And thank you so much for watching. If you like both of the songs, Nachi Nachi and Kalyani, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Hit on that bell icon so you can keep listening to more music videos that will be coming to the channel in every 3 to 4 days. Right? So until then, take care and goodbye.
No filter, I got no filter, no filter.